How long before a roof needs to be replaced in Arizona depends less on age than most homeowners think, and more on what's happening underneath it. Tile can last 50 years, but the underlayment beneath it usually fails first, typically somewhere between 15 and 25 years in this climate. Asphalt shingles rated for 30 years by the manufacturer often give you 15 to 20 years of real service once Tucson's UV gets through with them. Foam and flat roofs need their coating redone every 4 to 5 years, or the sun starts breaking down the material underneath. David Contreras has been roofing in Tucson since 2011, and the pattern holds on almost every job he walks. Condition tells you more than the calendar does. If less than 20% of your roof is affected and the decking is still solid, a repair usually makes more sense than a full replacement. Call or text DC Roofing of Arizona for a free, honest inspection to find out exactly where your roof stands.